Be able to speak English fluently if you use these words every day. So today we are going to discuss two words. Number one is consoled. Consoled means gave comfort or sympathy in grief. ਜਦੋਂ ਬੰਦਾ ਕੋਈ ਦੁਖੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਤਾਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਕੰਸੋਲ ਕਰਦੇ। Neem consoled the author when his operation failed. So console ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਦਿਲਾਸਾ ਦੇਣਾ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ? So the second word that we are going to discuss is investing. Very simple word, investing. It's a verb. To put money to gain more money or profit. That is called investing. Okay, he gained lot of property by investing money. So these are the two words that we discussed today. What you will do now, first of all you will write these words in your register and try to use these words 5 times at least in a day so that you can increase your vocabulary as well as you will be able to speak English fluently then. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good day.